Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Vinny, and this is pretty cool. We're grilling.
We're grilling lobsters today. Our seafood managers will do this for you. You come in, you say, I want to split lobster. They'll split it for you, and you take it home and you grill it. We're gonna do shell side down. It's gonna take probably about 10 minutes. While our lobster is grilling, well, we're gonna make the sauce that we're gonna use to cook this with and to serve it with. Gonna put in about, there's about a bunch of parsley chopped. We got some chopped garlic, not a whole lot of it. We're gonna take softened butter, drop that in here right now. We got some Maldon sea salt, extra virgin olive oil, look at that.
Yeah.
We're gonna put a good amount of this in. This is the base of the sauce. And here's our black pepper going in. And now we're gonna blend. We're looking for like a green oil right now. You can put this on anything. I'm gonna just take some of this now, and it's gonna go right on the top. Look at that. See the colors changing? We're gonna give it a nice flip and just make contact with the actual grill grates right now. How do you know when the lobster's done? Poke it. If it bounces back, you're good to go. If your finger sinks into it, you need some more time on the grill. So we're gonna give it a little squeeze of lemon right here. Remember our sauce? Now we're gonna just go crazy with the sauce. That's a grilled lobster.
And perfection. So if you'd like to try this, head to our website, newspell.com, and you'll find how to do it there. Thank you.
My pleasure as always.
Let's eat it.